Hello everyone, Mr. Happy Zap here with an update on my humble abode build, whichever one it is now. I have to keep these videos short because for some reason my phone loses audio after about 6 minutes of video. So I'm going to break them down and break them up. I just want to show you where I'm at. I guess last video that was out there, I was just getting ready to finish up the floor system, which I have, and as you can see, I have pretty much the entire structure up. I have but one wall to put up yet, so I think I'm doing pretty good for someone just working by himself. Everybody asked me, what are you doing for fun this summer, young fella? I like the young fella comment, much appreciated, but that's what I'm doing for fun. Now, it's been a warm summer, believe me, in my area, and so there's been a lot of sweat. There's been some blood, but no tears yet, thankfully. And maybe a couple concerns, but luckily on my street here there's a builder, and I've had to ask him to come over a couple times to see whether or not I'm doing things right, and he assures me, yep, things are coming along pretty good. So I'm going to be doing is explaining why I built the way I did, why I built, instead of building standard 2x6 construction, and a 1 inch of foam on the outside for the complete envelope, a continuous envelope they're calling for these days. I'm finding that, you know, my studies show that 1 inch of foam is definitely not enough to alleviate thermal bridging across a 2x4 or 2x6. And so therefore I came up with a different wall construction. I looked at structural insulated panels, more commonly known as SIPs. I looked at them, but I stopped looking at them a couple years ago for a couple of reasons, and I'll explain that in my next clip. So what I've done actually is taken a hybrid of the 2x8 or the 8-inch staggered stud building method, where they take it and then they pack cellulose or whatever inside and whatnot. I'm going to be using 2-pound foam. They say they want to make these buildings as airtight as possible, and 2-pound foam, when it's sprayed in, not only does it helps with the structural integrity, but it also really it seals the place right up. So I mean, we have to put in our doggone HRVs, ERVs, in other words, air exchangers anyway. So I'm trying to keep the BTU requirements to a minimum here. If, you know, everybody says, well, you know, you're using foam, that's not green. Well, you want to know something? I want to keep the green in my pocket, not in you know, not in some, you know, not just to be green. I think my blower door test is going to be quite good anyway. So it's a 905 square foot house. It's got about just a little over 12,000 BTU per hour requirement for heating, and 3/4 ton for cooling, so with my insulation method. So once again, I'll explain in my clips the reasons I'm doing things. So far so good. It's been quite the challenge, this hybrid wall system I've been building here. Actually just this one section here, a 16-foot section with the 2 windows in there, that took me 7 hours just to lay out and build and get up. So luckily I've had good neighbors, so they come over and help me lift my walls in place, which is awesome. And yeah, so like I said, I'll keep everyone posted. But like I said, I have to upload these clips in 5-minute segments because, of course, my phone doesn't want to do audio after that 6-minute mark. So just guess everyone keep a cool tool and keep a watch, and we'll be yakking at you later. Bye for now.